if you are watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested in making money with TextBroker. Maybe you heard of TextBroker, maybe you haven't, but you know, you're interested. You want to know, is TextBroker something that you should jump in as a way to make some money? So in this video, I'm gonna give you my thoughts on TextBroker. Now, TextBroker is one of those websites that's been around, as far as I know, for several years. I actually used TextBroker maybe 5-6 years ago. And fun fact, I don't know if it's really fun, but I tried to get into my account a couple days ago just to see what's going on with it. And I forgot my password. And then I sent the forgot password email thing. They still never sent me my password. So I'm wondering, did I use the right email? I don't know. All right, I don't know. But anyway, I do know about TextBroker. All right, so is it worth it? Is it worth your time? And my opinion is, it really depends. All right, it really do depend. Now, if you are just looking to earn some very, very, very extra cash, then I would say, yeah, sure, it's worth it, right? But if you are like, yo, I'm a writer, you know what I mean? Like, this is what I do. This is my passion. I'm trying to make an income from this. Then I would probably look elsewhere, because it probably won't be worth it to you. All right. Now, earning potential with TextBroker, it varies. All right. So whenever you join TextBroker, you got to send in like a sample article, right? And they're going to grade you. And I forget if it's out of 1 to 5 or something like that. So after you write send in your sample article, they're going to give you a score. Now your score that you get determines how much money you are able to make per every article that you submit. All right. So I think I was at like a 3 out of 5 or something. I wasn't the best, right? But I was in that range of like kind of mid-tier level. So once you get your account set up and you get approved, you actually can go in there and check what articles are available for you to write. There are a range of different subjects, and they give you the titles and everything you need to write these articles. But they also tell you how much money you can earn potentially for writing these articles. So a lot of times when you're at the mid-tier, you're probably looking at anywhere from like $3 to like $4 and some change per article that you write. Keep in mind, some of these articles, you know, they require you to be 400 to 500 words. So depending on how fast you are and how creative you are as a writer, really depends on how much you can earn, right? Now, in my opinion, if you are a dope writer, you're very fast, you can research stuff really quickly, you enjoy learning new stuff, and you enjoy putting it together, and you're fast, then you can probably earn at the mid-tier level, probably if you did just say 4 articles in a day, right? At just say $4 an article. You're looking at about $16 a day. All right. I mean, that's my take. Now, if you can get up to the higher tier, I mean, I think you can make $5 to $6 per article that you submit, right? So once again, if you can do, say, 5 articles at $6 an article, now you're looking at about $30 a day you can make from TextBroker. But in my opinion, a lot of people come in at the mid-tier level, and you can get upgraded to a higher tier. But if you're trying to really make a solid part-time or full-time income, I don't think you can get it with TextBroker. Now, what you could do is, because there are so many other writing opportunities out there, there's tons of sites like TextBroker. I ain't gonna lie, it's tons. So what you can do, if you really on that, you love writing, you love researching, you love typing, right? I would find maybe 3 to 5 writing companies similar to TextBroker, and maybe I'll do a video on that in the future, but they're everywhere. Find 3 to 5 solid companies, sign up with all of them, get approved with all of them, and then every day go in and check each account to see what articles are available for you to write. And at that point, maybe some sites, the articles you write, maybe you can get $6-7 per article. Maybe if you can't find none, on the upper paying sites, then you maybe check TextBroker, and maybe you can write a couple articles at the $4 level, right? But doing TextBroker all by itself, nah, that ain't, that's my take on it. All right. And have I gotten paid from TextBroker? I have got paid. They paid through PayPal. And I think maybe it was like 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago. I think I made like $15. I think I wrote like 4 articles. It wasn't worth it to me because it just wasn't. I ain't gonna lie. To me, it wasn't. And have I gotten paid from TextBroker? I have got paid. They paid through PayPal. And I think maybe it was like 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago. I think I made like $15. I think I wrote like 4 articles. It wasn't worth it to me because it just wasn't. I ain't gonna lie. To me, it wasn't. All right. But if you love writing, you can check TextBroker out. Now, if you want to know what I'm doing to earn a lot more money than you can with TextBroker, and if you're in affiliate marketing at all, you definitely want to watch this video right here.